Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another growth collaborative haul for you guys. Just as a disclaimer, this is not sponsored, bought this with my own money. I do have a link in the description box below where you can get a whole bunch of items if it's your first order. And all of that, so be sure to check out that link so that you can get those. But it's an affiliate link, but they didn't actually like pay me to do this video or anything like that. But anyway, let's get started. I was not going to, first off, okay, I was not going to do this video, and the reason is I only got four things. And so I'm like, well, that's not really much of a haul, right? But that's kind of the point that I wanted to make, is that with Grove, you don't have to get a whole bunch of things. You don't have to be like spend, you know, 30, 40, 50, $100 every single month. You don't even have to spend 20. You don't have to spend anything if you don't want to. But with some subscription boxes, you do. Like, you get what you get, right? And the thing I love about Grove is you choose what you get, how much you you spend, all of that. You know, they do give you some free items. I did get a free item in this order, so you know, who doesn't love free things? So, but that's just what I love about this order, is that you know, again, I wasn't going to film, but I'm like, I need to show you guys that sometimes I don't get a big shipment of a whole bunch of things. Sometimes I just get a few things because that's what I'm out of, or that's what I want to try, or you know, who knows why. But anyway, let's get into the haul and I'll just show you what I got this month. First, let's start with the free thing, because everybody loves free things, right? So if you watched my last month's video, you'll see these in the teal color. Well, in this month, or last month when I got it in, there was a little card in there that said, you know, go and then you get your free gift. And so I got another 2 sets. So I wanted to try the gray ones. Like I said, I got the I don't remember, it's like a teal color. I don't remember the exact like name of it, but it's like a teal color. But I have loved these. I've loved them so much for cleaning. And again, I just wanted to try some of them in a different color. And what I was thinking about this is that I love having specific, I said this in my previous video, is I love having specific cleaning towels, so that if you know, if you're cleaning something gross or this or that, you know which ones are the cleaning ones and which ones are kitchen towels, right? And so by getting a different color, I thought I could actually have like a couple specifically for the bathroom, and I wouldn't have to think about it too much, because I'll be like, oh, the gray ones are for the bathroom, or this, or whatever, right? So that was my thinking of getting a different color, and I really like the color. I love the quality. Good thing, and again, they're free, good quality. The next item I got is something I have gotten before. I've got some. I opened up some of them, so some of the tape is kind of just randomly in the box. That's how it is. But I have gotten this before. It's the only scent I've ever gotten in the dish soap. It's the lemon one, and I love it. And I was getting low, so I got another one of those. We don't go through a lot of dish soap because we do have a dishwasher, but of course there are things that I hand wash. But this has been lasting me. I think my last one lasted me 2 months, so I really just don't have to hand wash, and a little goes away, a long way. It's actually a really good dish soap. So I got that. Then I got, again, this is the sticky thing. All the tops come stuck down, so that helps prevent spilling and things like that. But this is something I knew I hadn't gotten. Leave me a comment below about this, guys. So this is the Method water in the scent Waterfall. It is a foaming hand soap, and I really like foaming hand soaps, and so that was one of the things that I wanted to give it a try. I will say, I mean, of course it's a waterfall scent, so it just kind of smells like soap, if that makes sense. It almost smells like laundry soap. Like, I don't know, maybe that's a bad description. It's not a bad smell. It smells really good. I just actually think that the ones that I've gotten in the I've gotten 2 different scents in the Mrs. Meyer's so far, and I've just actually liked them better. So leave me a comment down below and let me know, is it just the scent, or do you like Mrs. Meyer's better, or do you like the Method better? I really like foaming, and so that's kind of why I decided to try this. But I have to say, I didn't think I was going to like the Mrs. Meyer's at first. I thought, oh, I don't know, maybe, you know, because I'm such a Bath & Body Works girl, right? But they've really grown on me, people. They've really grown on me. And so now I'm kind of like, it bothered me at first not to have a foaming hand soap, but now it doesn't. So, but I do like it. So we're going to try that again. I think it smells really good. If nothing else, I think that this is a scent that my husband will really, really like. So I got that. And then the last thing that I bought was just this. I wanted to smell, I wanted to try a couple things. I want to try the room refresher. That's what this is. And I want to just try the peony scent. Peonies are one of my like favorite scents. Like growing up, we had a peony bush and a lilac bush, and they just smelled so fragrant. And we actually still have peonies in our current house. I need to get a lilac bush because I love it. But anyway, so I got this. I've just sprayed it around this room just when I opened the box, and it's not really strong, but I like it. And so I'm really it does say limited edition scent, so I guess if you like it a lot, you know, better get it now and stock up, right? Because I think it's part of their spring collection. But that's kind of the good thing, though, is I think that you can kind of get used to scents, and so it's kind of nice that they have a spring collection, and then you kind of, you know, as the seasons change, you want to smell your house up with, you know, different things, right? So I'm really excited to give this a try. I got some smelly dogs, like, oh my gosh, our German Shepherd, I swear, he just smells. Like, you give him a bath, but he sweats if he goes outside, and he's usually an inside dog. We try to keep him bathed and groomed and everything, and sometimes he has gas. I don't even know what to do about that, right? Because we've changed his food to kind of make... We've tried a lot of the food things, and over that, he still just has gas. Any tips for a gassy dog? Leave me a comment below. But in the meantime, we need something that smells good around here. But anyway, again, that's all I bought. 4 items, and one of them was free, and so I just love it. I love being able to just get what I need, or just get what I want, or try new scents, or try new products, and not have to worry about like all of this stuff coming every month. Now, I want to disclaim this, that you do have to go in and log in each month and change what's in your cart, because if you don't, then they just put a whole bunch of things in that you might want to try. I mean, worst case scenario, you get a lot of nice products that you want to try, but it may be more money than what you're wanting to spend. I think that the cart that I had, that they had picked out for me, was like $34, and I ended up spending just a few bucks on this and spent hardly anything at all, just because I just didn't need a whole lot of things. And so and again, there wasn't a whole lot of things I wanted to try, but I already have things in my cart for next month because I've started running out of a few things. So anyway, guys, I just want to let you know that Grove is great. Now, the first time you order, you do have to order $25 worth of stuff, but I'm telling you, it is so worth it, because they're going to send you like a whole 5-piece set. I think right now they're doing the spring collection, so you get all of the, I think you get like the dish scrub thing, and oh my gosh, it's really, really nice, guys. So don't worry about the idea that you have to spend $25, because you're going to get so much more free. So the first time you order, you do have to spend $25 again, because they're sending you all the free things, but just order a whole bunch of things you want to try or things like that. I tried to make sure that I didn't order things that they were sending me free, just so I could try more things, right? But after that, you can spend as little or you could just not get a box that month. Like, that's totally fine. Or you can get as much as you want. And I think the only limitations is if you want like a ship now. I just wait, and it ships about the 20th of today is like the 29th. So it comes around the end of the month. And so, you know, yeah, it really just, but if you needed it to ship earlier, I think that there are some order requirements for that. I'm not sure how much they are. They are all listed if you go to, you follow the link in the description box below, and then you can go to like frequently asked questions, the FAQ. And there's all of the shipping and things like that. And again, just to quickly talk about shipping, you don't actually have to pay shipping for your first several orders. You get a free trial. And then after that, if you want to pay, you could pay per box, or you could pay a flat $20 for the whole year, and then you don't have to do it again for a year. And so it's super cheap shipping, so that's not an issue. And again, I just like anything that keeps me out of the store lately, people, because oh my goodness, I'm busy and I spend less money, and I just am loving this, and I'm loving all the free products and trying all the things. Because adulting is dumb, you get really excited about cleaning products, people. Like, It's true. True story. True story. But anyway, again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.